Well, welcome back to day 3 of trailer modification BRZ pickup. We are in Irving. Is this Dallas?
Yes, we're in Dallas.
Okay, we're in Dallas. I don't know. I live out in the country, so here we are to pick up the beautiful mailbox BRZ. So now we're playing musical jump box because in my ultimate wisdom have 2 batteries that don't quite run the winch system enough, and the electric power steering on the BRZ is in need of assistance as well.
Yeah.
We'll just push this up a bit. And always got to have the wiener with. Is that a, can I say that? A hot dog wiener. Hot dog wieners, right? Hey. Yeah, you could have gotten a little more left for here, but we could manage. I can move it over a little bit if you want.
Pretty good gas on the ramp. Let them out.
Hey, come here. Come on. She's just always doing her thing. Hey. Hairy babies. Let's see if I can one-handle this. Winded.
I mean, I can turn this way and I can still have plenty, so.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. Come here, baby. It's just nice. I'm okay, buddy. Leon, come here. Short break off?
Actually, I still have steering, so.
Ready?
You must not have put the electronic lock on.
We'll put some blocks under there because it just get over here, rolling and shit. Well, now that I'm sweating my balls off here, we can get going out of town. gonna be a good shot. Okay. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Like a crane operator today. Frank, my boy! I'll just sit in the cab, let the swamper take care of it. He says she's good. We'll let her rip now. So anyways, we finally got it in. It's in the shop. You saw the circus of my four-wheeler driving. Almost like drilling on high speed. It was good.
So what's the plan for the car?
Well, it is our race car. Hopefully shooting to run in the NASA, would you consider that the league? NASA league?
Yeah.
Or race series?
Racing organization.
So we're...
Not NASCAR or NASA. Or spaceship NASA.
Yeah,
is more of a road course type racing event.
Circuit. Not like
sprints or
the autocross.
Yeah.
None of that autocross stuff.
So we've been looking for a car for a while. We're going back and forth between the 350Z and anything rear-wheel drive manual. we we kind of went away from the 350 as prices with those for trashed out, junked out freaking cars were just outrageous, and I wasn't going to pay for that. So we came across this one at Coparts. Ended up being a flood damage was the notation. Don't think they were too honest when they said that this thing ran when it came in, because after further investigation, this has water in the intake manifold. So it was a flood damage that it sucked in water and hydrolocked the engine. So now the goal is to remove this one and install it with this one,
which we've already ran through this one. This is came out of a front end wrecked vehicle. We bought it from a junkyard, scrapyard, whatever you want to notate it as. And then so trying to keep it as cheap as possible, but as we know now, there's not much Subaru related that is cheap on these. So we spent about probably $2,000 in parts. $2,000 in parts plus the $2,000 in engine purchase to get it to its glory currently. So anyways, the idea is to just quickly swap this one out and hopefully make it a nice driver for the time being, and then we're going to race it.
Ideally we'll start doing mods individually. So we're going to do, hey, probably wheels and tires, or just tires, show what that's going to do, how that feels. Then do coilovers, show kind of the difference between that, how we feel, what our comparison is, and just do a budget build in theory of what each component's going to be and how it's going to react on the track. So stay tuned, and that's why we're going to kind of see what different things are going to be better and which things we like and what things we don't like, and go from there.